Hello, everyone. Dane Hoover here. As you can imagine, as a coach who helps people with their mindset and achieving goals that they want to in their life, I talk to a lot of people. This week, probably 10 to 15 different people. Next week, I have a launch going on. I'll be even more. And it's very interesting what I hear from people about what their challenges are, what they're working on, and what their problems are. And a good majority, I don't know the exact percentage, but a good majority say, I'm okay, but my husband's a mess, or my neighbor drives me crazy, or my sister, I just don't know how to deal with her. So these kinds of issues are really not your issue. So when they say, what's the best thing I can do to help my brother-in-law raise his vibration? I say, it's really none of your business. Everybody is at where they're at. The best thing you can do for the people around you, for the world around you, and for yourself is to raise your own vibration. Raise your own awareness. Understand as best as you can how life works. Read books. Study. Put your investment of time and energy into making yourself the best person you can be, and let others follow their own journey. Let them make their own choices. That's the advice I give people when I talk to them. Reach out to me if you have questions. I'm happy to help.